AliExpress. I ordered an airbrush kit. Let's open it! Yeah! Ta-da! Mini air compressor. Check it out. Mini air compressor. This cost about $41 US. Mini air compressor instruction manual. Package includes one air compressor, one airbrush holder, one air hose, one AC transformer, one instruction manual, one airbrush, have or have no choice. Oh good, the instructions are in color. Well, the pictures are in color. Cleaning your airbrush, step 1 and step 2, step 3, step 4. Cleaning your needle, step 1, 2, 3. Cleaning your airbrush nozzle, rebuilding your airbrush. Warning. Let's get to the product. One AC adapter. On and off, shift. Looks like a holder. We plug in the power here. This is the air hose connection for this hose. Stoppers. The airbrush. It looks like a pipe. Okay, you connect it from here. What's this? Some kind of nozzle. Oh, maybe like this. Okay, it's a holder. This little piece goes into this little holder, like this. And this airbrush is supposed to sit in here. Let's see, does it sit like this? The fat end goes that way, like that. Alright, let's assemble this. Now I don't have any paint, but I'm just going to test out the product. This is nylon. It's pretty long. Yeah, it is pretty long. So I connect it. Turning counterclockwise to tighten. Now to connect the other end to the compressor. Now to plug it in. I think this is for tattooing. It's on. 3 blue lights came on and it vibrated. Shift. Nothing happens when I press shift. Oh, there are 3 solid blue lights. If I press shift, 1 goes out, 2 goes out, and there's just 1 blue light. Okay, so when you clean your airbrush, you're supposed to use 8 drops of water or 75% alcohol or airbrush cleaning solution into airbrush cup as shown. But anyway, I'm just going to test this out. Look at that. It's not very powerful. Okay, if I press shift, 1 light goes out, and I press the trigger, it sounds weaker. Pressing the shift again, 2 lights are out, even weaker. Pressing it again, all lights come back on, more powerful. Off. You know what? I think this is actually a pretty good product. If you're into doing craft or some kind of art, tattooing, decorating cakes, it has the right pressure. It's a mini compressor. It's portable. Yeah, I recommend it. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.